Hi, hello mga kalalabs. Hello sa mga kalalabs ko dyan. Hello. So ngayon guys, meron tayong i-unboxing from online. Nag-order ako ng isa siyang pantilit siya. So ipapakita ko sa inyo yung aking unboxing. So guys, sa online lang siya na murang online lang, very cheap online. So I will try to order online shop, a very cheap, cheapest shop, a very what is that, low price, a very low price. So I try to order guys, mga lalabs. I try to order kasi I need ko talaga siya. I really need this kind of pantilit sa for inside my part of my body I wear. So you know guys, I try to speak English because some of my viewers are requesting to me to speak English because they are not to understand while I'm talking my language, Tagalog. So, but pasensya na mga lalabs, I cannot speak strictly English because only I know little English. So, yeah, hopefully you understand mga lalabs. So this is just online. Yeah. The very cheap online. Kasi yung lagayan lang guys is only this one. Only this one. Yeah. So that is why very cheap online. So pakita ko sa inyo guys, magta-try on haul tayo. Ayan. So ayan. Ito. So I think very big for me. Very big for me. It's big. Look at but I will try to wear this, guys. So kung parang I don't know. I really don't know. I think is big. Malaki siya. Alam ko malaki siya, guys. Pero, subukan ko na lang. Parang, yun ang ayaw ko sa online shop. Ayaw ko sa online lang. Kasi nga, hindi sila, yung kanilang, their items, sometimes not good. It's not good quality. So, yeah. And then, three colors guys. So there is a black. I think black is small. Black is small, not like this one is big. So this is only for this. Yeah. So I have black. Yeah. So let's go mga lalabs. Tara! Ito na mga lalabs. So, ayan. Ito na siya. Yeah. Very cheap mga lalabs. Very cheap. 3 pieces. 3 pieces is only 200 pesos Philippine money. 3 pieces. 3 pieces, only 200 pesos Philippine money. It's the booty. Yeah. So, subukan natin yung ibang color. Ito. Ito. Ah, yeah, it's okay. It's okay, mga lalabs. Yeah. It's okay siya. Yeah, it's okay siya. Okay pala siya, mga lalabs. Okay siya. So, kasya ko pala siya. Kasya ko pala siya. Ah. Yeah. Okay siya. Kasya ko pala siya. Kasya. Ayan. So, yun lang mga lalabs ang ating to try on haul. So, I hope nagustuhan nyo. Bumili kasi ako niyan. Nag-order ako niyan. Nag-order ako nito. So, nag-order ako nito kasi kailangan ko to sa loob ng sa loob ng uniform ko. I need this one for I wear to inside my, my uniform. So, this, like this one. This is my uniform. So, yeah. This is my uniform. So, that is why, this is my uniform, my work. Yan. So, that is why I need this one. I need this one because I need for my uniform. Because it's very summer now, very hot. So, I need press pantilit. I need pantilit. So, like this. So, yeah. So, like this. Yeah.